that's some timing, folks. ELS 502 and 1221 are rolling southbound in Iron Mountain. We're at the highway crossing. I'm gonna switch to the left. I'll show you guys over there is the train, but well, that's timing, folks. After in the car because, well, we legitimately just saw this train pass the crossing over the Brawl mark, and well, lady left at least gives us a chance to catch it here. I knew this train was heading south, but I just didn't think we would see it in Iron Mountain. I was hoping we got to Iron Mountain, we got a chance to stop at a crossing, but sometimes you do the best you can. I would think the tanker is going to be a blue tanker car. I think that would be. I think most likely that's a blue tanker car. Got some more loaded LP smart side lumber and more tankers. I knew they brought up like one train that I caught. I think it was maybe a week or two ago. Was they had an 8 tanker car train they put on there. Yep, 2 more blue tanker cars. There are some more, I think, brand new grain cars in Kingsford on the sidetrack, folks. So there may be, I doubt they'll stop to pick them up, but they may, depending on how long this train is. Because if it's a long, no LP smart side number branding on that car. All of them have LPs of that, the branding with except that car. And I see the end of the train, I would think, with a green center beam car. Go pack, go. Yeah, that's pretty much green. And folks, you also see that the switch point here. The track, there's actually a switch point, the CN, it's 2 tracks technically in this crossing. The second track is to CN property, folks. But the CN track has been used a long time here, folks. Look at that. I assume it's not working that good today. There you guys go. Peace out, everybody. Well, folks, we made the Beecher. Haha! Folks, let's just say we come to Beecher, and well, there she is. We've run into 502 and 1221 again. We come to the County L crossing in Beecher. Folks, I did get word from our group. They have picked up the last of the empty, well, the brand new grain cars, folks. The last of the new ones that were parked in Kingsford have been picked up, and they are on this train, folks. Saw it over at Holmes Junction on my way back, and well, fun. We got time, we'll go and get it. I am just lucky on time next to our grouper informed me about that they were doing a pickup. I could even hear the train. I was down over at the soccer complex on Pine Mountain Road here in Iron Mountain, and I could hear the train all the way from Pine Mountain Road. Pretty good distance even, folks, so funny enough. Folks, here we go again. And we'll get to hear the horn this time, folks. She is, by the way, flying, folks, here in a minute. You're about to see what I mean. It's flying. She is flying! Ha ha! Check out the new grain cars. The last of the brand new ones from February. Look at the wheels. Those things look nice. Wow. There we go. There you guys go. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe. And by the way, folks, this video is going to go on Halloween, folks. So happy Halloween, everybody. Have a good one, everybody. Peace.